We have improved the wig quality on some of our best sellers. These include the Chloe, Chrissy, Carla, and Carmen human hair wigs. We want to deliver the best quality to our valued customers.
This is our Chloe human hair wig, 18 inches long, 613 platinum blonde and natural black. Next, this is our Chrissy human hair wig, 20 inches long, 613 platinum blonde and natural black. All of them have been upgraded.
The hair has been upgraded to the highest quality Remy human hair.
This hair is super soft, sleek, durable and has a long lifespan. It can withstand heat styling from blow drying, flat irons and curling irons without damaging your own hair. The hair has been upgraded from single drawn to double drawn. With double drawn, the hair is fuller and thicker right down to the ends. The hair return has been increased to 4.5 inches, making it undetectable. The lace has been upgraded to French lace, which will blend in with your skin seamlessly. The lace has also been lengthened from 13 by 3 inches to 13 by 4 inches, giving you more room to part your hair. We have upgraded the hair transition to become gradually thicker and create a natural hairline.
We have improved the quality of our classic collection favourites for our dear customers. We hope you love the upgrades as much as we do.